Think you know Odoo? Here are 5 benefits about this powerful platform that might surprise you and can revolutionize the way you run your business. Odoo offers over 70 official apps and more than 30,000 third-party apps. Start small, like managing your CRM, and scale up to an all-in-one system. Companies using modular ERP platforms report 30% faster adoption rates compared to traditional systems. Odoo provides enterprise-grade capabilities at a fraction of the price. On average, businesses using Odoo save up to 60% compared to legacy ERP solutions. Plus, its open-source framework gives you full control over customizations without vendor lock-in. With Odoo, customization isn't just possible, it's easy. 80% of Odoo users report increased efficiency thanks to tailored workflows and dashboards. But to unlock its full potential, you need professional Odoo customization services from a software development company to ensure your platform is optimized for your unique business needs. Odoo's compliance with GDPR and other global standards ensures your sensitive data is always protected. Studies show that businesses lose an average of $435 million per data breach. Odoo's built-in security features help you avoid becoming part of that statistic. Teams using Odoo's integrated platform see up to a 25% improvement in cross-department collaboration. From project management to real-time communication, Odoo keeps your entire team connected no matter where they are. Ready to unlock the full potential of Odoo? Contact us today for a consultation and discover how this platform can streamline your business, boost productivity, and save you money.